In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client dashboard in Notion. A client dashboard is a simple and effective way to keep project information organized in one place. It gives your client a clear view of progress, timelines, files, and updates without forcing them to dig through emails or messages. The goal is to make the space useful, easy to navigate, and focused only on the information your client actually needs to see. Start by creating a brand new page in Notion that will serve as the client dashboard. Give it a clear title that reflects the project or client relationship, and think of this page as the main hub for everything you want to share. Keeping this central page clean and organized from the beginning will make it much easier to manage later. Next, add sections for the key areas your client will want to check regularly. These should include a project overview, tasks, files, updates, and deadlines. The project overview can briefly explain the project scope or current phase. The tasks section helps show what is in progress, what is complete, and what still needs attention. Files gives the client one place to access important assets or deliverables. Updates keeps communication visible and easy to review, and deadlines helps everyone stay aligned on upcoming milestones. After that, create a project or task database inside the dashboard. This is where Notion becomes especially useful because databases allow you to track work in a structured way. You can display the information in a table or another view that feels easiest to understand. Add properties that make the database practical and informative. Include status so the client can quickly see whether something is planned, in progress, or finished. Add priority to highlight what matters most. Include a due date so timelines stay visible. And add an owner field so it's always clear who is responsible for each item. These details make the dashboard more than just a document. They turn it into a working project tracker. Then add any important client links and documents directly into the dashboard. This might include shared resources, relevant pages, or files the client may need to reference. Keeping these in one place saves time and reduces confusion. Once the content is in place, customize the dashboard so the client only sees what they need. Remove anything internal, distracting, or overly technical. A good client dashboard feels simple, polished, and intentional. When everything looks ready, share the dashboard with the client using the share button in Notion. Before sending it, take a moment to double check permissions and make sure they can access the right content. Finally, keep the dashboard updated as the project progresses. A dashboard only stays valuable if the information is current, so make it part of your regular workflow to refresh tasks, deadlines, files, and updates. That consistency builds trust and keeps your client informed every step of the way.